This is my brush. I just came to Kenya and I used it for 1 week. And when I came here, it was brand new. It was very white and shiny. But it's just already very dusty. So that means my hair gets really dusty here. You don't see something like that in the Netherlands.
Because there's too much dust in Kenya, I guess.
Yeah.
Kenya, most roads are dusty roads. Hope you get used to Kenyan soil, Kenyan dust. Will you?
I will. If this is the worst thing that can happen to me, then I guess I'm good.
Put it on.
Whenever you are in Kenya, you don't always have access to a hot shower or hot water in general or water that comes from a tap. So sometimes when you have to shower, you have to heat up water first by boiling it, and then you shower using a bucket and then just pouring the water on yourself with a cup or with your hands. Well, as you might have noticed, my hair is very long, so I really try to avoid washing my hair if I don't have a shower that I can use. But sometimes you really can't avoid it, and you are staying in a place with no shower for too long, and then you really have to wash your hair. So then what I do is I wash my hair and then I use a bucket for it, and I really need help with that because my hair is too long and it's too inconvenient to do that myself. So in this video I'll show you how I wash my hair if I don't have running water that I can use, so I am forced to use a bucket. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you again in the next video. Bye!